Industry 4.0, Demystifying Key Industry 4, Industry 4 Training Course. Industry 4.0, this has developed in light of the fact that progresses in sensor technology and network modules have permitted greater hardware to be estimated, checked and followed among locales, and organized from a focal, remote area. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is in some cases clarified as the combination of digitalization with conventional mechanical procedures. This outcomes in wise worth chains and item life cycles that start with advancement, experience fabricating, gathering, item conveyance and upkeep, and end with reusing. Industry 4 and IoT, Internet of Things. Lately, Industry 4.0 has come to be related with the Internet of Things, IoT. Industry 4.0 alludes to the following stage in modern innovation, with mechanical technology, PCs and hardware getting associated with the Internet of Things, and improved by AI calculations. Advantages from IoT implanted Industry 4.0 include more extravagant and all the more convenient examination, digitizing and comprehending data, improving consumer loyalty, improving item quality, lift productivity and profitability, continuous experiences that lead to better, quicker choices. Industry 4.0 Training Course by Tonex. Industry 4.0 training course covers key ideas of future-savvy manufacturing plans, the digital physical frameworks and physical procedures inside these industrial facilities and the virtualization methods and shrewd dynamic capacities which would bolster directors in driving these activities. Industry 4.0 course modules. Demystifying, making Industry 4.0 concept easier to use. Driving Industry 4.0. Administration Industry 4.0 capabilities. Key Industry 4.0 technologies. Adjusting Industry 4.0 and strategies. The automation pyramid and new business models in Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 and technologies. Discretionary workshop. Visit tonex.com for Industry 4 course and workshop detail.